I didn't get to say goodbye, so I'm just gonna make a whole nother video. Goodbye and hello, people. Even though that makes no sense. Eh, 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 eh. Oh God, no. All right, maybe this is a good thing. Maybe this is a good thing. We gotta think on the bright side. I have less limbs, therefore I can fly through the air easier and faster. I am falling. Out. Oh. Surprisingly, I'm still alive, and I am gonna do this again. Let's do this. My face just kind of died. Yeah. Let's restart this level. Yeah. Ah. Seeing if that would work. No? Really? Didn't. Okay. Shocker. Maybe I want this guy. Maybe I want Jimmy with me. No, I don't. Die. 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 Oh, now we both died. See what you do, Jimmy. God. Jimmy, you're just the cause of death all around. Oh, wow. I am still a survivor. Even though my intestines are what's holding my lower half of my body and my upper half of my body together. That's not a good thing. It's not a very good sign. Oh, God, I almost had him. Oh, die. Die. I'm like giving him major concussions. Do you hear that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, God! Not part of my daily plan. My daily routine does not include cutting myself in half. Even though I just did it again. Oh, my God. Alright, let's see how the fat woman did. Nope. Okay. Are unavailable. Wait, what? Oh, I can't be that far. I can't be that. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna be Segway Steve. Segway Steve, let's go. Oh, God. Oh, my. Yeah, no legs. It's okay. Oh. That just cut off my head, apparently. You know what? Screw this! Pretty sure I played them all now. Wow. That freaking blows. I really like this game, but I mean, I've played this, but I'm pretty sure that it's impossible. There is no way in hell that this is possible. Oh, God. Get in, get in. Shut the door, shut the door. Ow, my leg. Oh, my face. Am I still alive? No? Wow. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try something new with this. Let's go, Segway Steve. Yeah. This is how I roll. Let's go. Alright. Close the trapdoor. It's alright. Let's go. Flat on my legs. I'm Superman! Superman that— Ow! Hey, that rhymed. Now watch me. You just died! Ha ha ha. I'm funny. No, I'm not. Obstacle course. Gym. Who? Yeah, that's right. I've played this before. This is garbage. Played that. Played Dawn of the Dead. I haven't played this. Huh. That is interesting. Alright. See what's down here. Nothing, apparently. Not even... Oh, I was gonna say not even ground, but, apparently that's there, too. That's pretty funny. Alright. Ow, my foot. I mean my leg. My kneecaps. Oh. Never. My God. He's like screaming in pain. It's pretty bad, honestly. To be honest. That's kind of what honestly means, but there you go. The contortionist again. Awesome. Oh God. No, I was supposed to do something there. No. Blow up. Let me get across the building. Ah, my leg. Alright. Alright, I jump out. Z. And no, I grabbed my Segway. That's so garbage. I'm gonna start this over again because I was rubbing my eye. I'm not actually crying, but I just had something in my eye. Now both my legs are broken and I'm still not crying. I don't know how that's possible. Yes! I'm a beast. I am a beast. And I'm a beast. No! No! Why me? No, actually I am crying. Not really. But I'll just do it again. It's fine. Crying over this game is not that worth it. So don't do it. No! What is this? I'll survive. Oh, I'm alive. I'm still alive. Bring me back my Segway wheel. I can at least do the worm better now. I mean, I can touch my pegs. See? Oh, I'm about to eat them, actually. Nom nom nom. I'm just gonna sit here in this awesome yoga pose. Oh my God, they brought my wheel. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Oh, no, another wheel. Ah, my freaking head! Ah, curse you, Aqua Scum! Okay, I'm just kidding. That wasn't Aqua Scum. But it was a button that killed me. I got you, bud. Don't worry. I got you. Just keep on riding on my head. No! Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I got it. Yes, let's do this. Alright. Bring me to my destination, sir. Bring me to a hospital. Look at that freaking leg. Okay. What else is there here? I mean, what am I supposed to do? What do you want from me? Oh! No! I missed it! I thought... Why? Blowing that person up just never gets old. That's kind of bad, isn't it? Oh! No, I was scratching my arm and I forgot to press the space bar. But at least I got to blow that person up again. Space bar. My leg. I don't even know what happened to that person. Let's go. Let's go! Bring me to my destination, you freaking helicopter. Thank you. Have a nice life. After you bring me to my destination, not your girlfriend's house, I really don't want to see that. What goes on? What goes on in your mind? What goes on in your girlfriend's house? Ah! I win! 5 stars. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh God! I didn't even know that was supposed to happen. Does he just like attack me? Like, no, you shall not get my friend. Curse you. Ah! God. No! Segway Steve. Don't do it! I'm trying to hit the space bar so he doesn't hit me. That's the lost cause. I did it! Suck my balls. Now I can freaking run you over. Alright, never mind. What goes on in that guy's girlfriend's house? You're there. Oh God. Ah, I love you guys. Bye. Oh. I'm still alive. Well, see you.